Right, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Salomon Brothers video. In this video we'll be attempting to DIY fit overlay badges to this V6 Amarok. And that was fairly easy as well. And that's done. Pull again at an angle. Make sure that, oh, there we go. See, mistakes like this can happen where the actual sticker can start coming off with the clear backing. You just want to make sure you rub that in there. Even attempt to pull from a different angle where the sticker does not have a weak spot like the thinner areas. Alright, there we go, we're on. Alright, cool. So now we're at the rear of the Amarok, and it seems to be we have another V6 logo, and we also have the main one, the Amarok logo. This is going to be the long and tedious one, or somewhat challenging, but that's the fun part about this. And it comes off without any failures or the actual overlay pulling off. And that's done. V6 done on that side. Alright, so that was so damn easy. I don't understand, guys. That was insane. DIY to the max. If you want to change the look of your badges, this is absolutely the way to go without painting them. Yeah, and it looks wicked. Even with that silver border, the chrome border, it looks absolutely stunning. Alright, once again, sorry for the noise. The guys are really busy working on the cars right now. This car was in for a signature package, and it just finished its polish and then another maintenance wash, and then I put these overlays, which is pretty fun. So yeah, DIY 100%. That was a very good fitment on the VW Amarok V6. If you guys have any interest in this, just shoot us a DM, and also wait for our launch of the website where these products are going to be available. Anyways guys, if you like this video, remember to drop a like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, follow us on our TikTok, subscribe to our YouTube for sure, like this video and share it. Thank you guys for watching, and come get some.